reason why you should get the Mystic Monkey bundle. First, you get this cloud that actually when you move around, you get a trail of cloud. And another reason is you can buy this. Another reason is you can buy this. And I bought this but here's the coolest reason why you should get the Mystic Monkey bundle. First, you can do this. So once you do this, you get clouds on your hands. But you get clouds on your hands. What if you mix them up? You get hacks. Oh, and another thing is it pushes you back.
There he is. But this is my bright outfit.
Is that Megalovania?
Hello, Dad!
Is that Megalovania, bro?
So that was all the reasons why you should get the Mystic Monkey bundle. Goodbye and goodbye. Goodbye and goodbye. Goodbye and goodbye. Goodbye and goodbye. Goodbye and goodbye.
Yeah, in the video, that's not what I said. I said,
What else do you have, bro?
yeah, it's actually